Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by securing access and preparing credentials so requests succeed. First, create an account and enable two-factor authentication. This prevents accidental lockouts. Once done, copy the API key and save it in an environment variable or secret manager. Do not paste keys into code. Next, install the official SDK or prepare a curl template with authorization. Bearer key. Make sure to test a simple get-to-confirm connectivity before building requests that process content. You'll next construct requests and design the core workflow for reliable results. Start by selecting the appropriate model and tuning parameters such as temperature, max tokens, and input length to balance creativity and control. If inputs exceed limits, chunk text and reassemble outputs, or use streaming to consume partial responses. Then implement error handling. Detect 429 rate limit responses and apply exponential backoff with capped retries. Finally, log request/response. You'll finish by validating, securing, and monitoring your integration to ensure production readiness. Run automated tests to check for correctness and add deterministic post-processing rules or filters to enforce safety and formatting. Once deployed, monitor API usage and costs, and set alerts for unusual spikes. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting. Confirm the API key, verify quota and billing, inspect payload JSON for schema errors, and examine logs for error codes. If issues persist, reduce request size and rerun to isolate the failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.